Hello! Today we've got a fun tutorial for you on the viral Call from March Instagram Add Yours template, already used by over 3 million people. Here's how you can find it and share your favorite March memories. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the search icon at the bottom. In the search bar, type Add Yours Extra and open the profile with that name. You'll find all the Add Yours templates saved in their highlights. Next, tap on the highlight called AY59 and scroll through until you find the story with the Call from March template. When you find it, tap Add Yours to use it. Now it's time to add your March memories. You can take new photos using the Instagram camera. Once you're done, then upload it. And that's it. Here's how my March looks in pictures. Do you like it? Make sure to try this template yourself and let me know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with more creative ideas.